Thank you for purchasing Dual Link Universal. It looks like the crown you're about to cement isn't going anywhere. When ready to use, begin with dispensing a small amount of material onto a mixing pad to eliminate voids and place a dispensing tip on the syringe. After the tooth preparation is ready and you've applied your adhesive, we recommend BISCO's All Bond Universal. Initiate the cementation procedure by dispensing Dual Link Universal to the internal surface of the restoration. Ensure a precise fit by fully seating the restoration. To remove excess cement, perform a brief tack here at the margins for 2 to 3 seconds and promptly remove any surplus cement. If desired, following the removal of excess cement, each surface of the restoration may undergo optional curing for up to 40 seconds. Here's a pro tip to keep in mind. Dual Link Universal has been specially formulated to allow for quick removal of excess cement, making cleanup a breeze after seating and tack curing the restoration. Remember, don't forget to go over your instructions for use. Should you have any questions, call us at 1-800-247-3368.